This is a piece of Asian Satinwood Burl, also called Pinma. This was shipped all the way from Thailand, and considering its size, it was a pretty expensive piece of wood. Even though this was a highly figured piece of wood, it actually cut really smooth and was actually really nice to work with. It smells like incense, like maybe a little oriental. So I'm really happy with how this is coming out so far, but in my experience, plain wood needs a little bit of something to set it off. Usually I do shading across the back either by burning, or here lately I've been using alcohol ink. I'm going to try to be easy with this because I really don't want to cover any of this pattern. I really just want a little bit of shade to kind of make everything pop a little bit more. This is definitely the craziest wood I've ever seen. Alright, this is arguably the most crucial part of this whole build. That's a good sign. Alright, I think that's about 10 grams. Might go with about 8. This thing turned out amazing, and it's going to be pretty hard to top this as far as wood grain lures are concerned, in my opinion. This lure came in at 1.8 ounces, and even though it was quite heavy, the wood still had plenty of buoyancy and was able to give it really good action.